Okay guys, so today we're going to be decorating these two 7-foot trees that I have in the corner of my living room. So this is how they look. And now I have plugged them up so we can see how they look with the lights on. And I fluffed the one tree up in the corner, and so I'm gonna fluff the one on the outer side up, and I just put the bow on top to see how I like that, if I wanted to use the bows as the tree topper for these trees. So this is what I'm working with for this video, so let's get decorating. So here's what I've done so far. I've put the tree toppers on, and I did make some more ornament garlands, and I've placed them in the trees just to see how it will look. And I'm kind of playing around with these floral picks to see if I want to use that in the tree as well. But this is what I've done so far. And I'm just trying to get some ideas of how I want to decorate these trees here. So I'm just showing you guys the progress that I've made this far. So here's the final look of the Christmas trees here in the corner. And I made them to look similar but not exactly the same. I wanted them to look a little bit different since they were right next to each other. I did not want to try to make them look exactly the same. But they both have the same toppers with the peonies at the top and a bow. And then they're different. So I'll move in here a bit so you guys can see. This one has all of the poinsettias like on the fireplace, and I used some flower picks in there. I have ribbon and ornaments, and I did do another ornament garland for this tree and just kind of ran them through the tree like so. And I think it looks very, very pretty. And in a second, I'll plug it up so you guys can see how it looks with the lights on. So that's that one. And then for this one, I used the same like flowers, the peonies that we have at the top on both the trees. I used the same ones throughout this tree. So I put, I think 3 or 4 of them in this tree. And I think they look so very pretty. Here's the other one. And then there's one down here. So, and this tree I used more gold ornaments, and I didn't really use any poinsettias on this tree. I just let the peonies be the florals for this tree. And I did use a little bit of ribbon. So I put a few bows throughout. There are no bows on this tree. It's just ribbon. And so, yeah, I used a few berry picks. I think I may want to get a few more berry picks to add to this, because on the peonies you can see they have berries on it also. So I think I may get a few more berry picks just to fill in a bit more. But that is this tree. Now I'm going to plug both the trees up so you guys can see them lit. But I'm panning back here so you can see the trees. And I have to also put the tree skirt on. But you can see how the trees look in the corner. I think it looks very, very nice. And sorry it's kind of dark. It's a little bit overcast and the sun is setting. So let's go ahead and plug the trees up. And here's the trees all lit up, and again I think they look so very pretty. So I'm kind of standing far back because I wanted you guys to get an overall view, and now I'm going to move in a bit closer so you can see things a bit closer. And here's a closer up shot of the tree. I did go ahead and add in the tree skirts. And I think they look absolutely gorgeous. I should say that these trees are both the exact same tree. They're both, I think they're 7 feet tall. And I have this one raised up on a table. You can see the tree skirt there at the bottom. And this one's just directly on the floor. So I used curtains as my tree skirt. And there's 2 matching curtains. One covering the table here and the bottom of the tree here. So these are the trees. I just love these poinsettias. I think they are so gorgeous. And I think both the trees look absolutely beautiful. And those are my trees. So I am approaching the finishing point for my living room. So these are the other 2 trees in the living room. So in the next video, I'll be sharing probably something in my kitchen, or I may actually, maybe I'll go ahead and finish off the living room by doing a coffee table styling and then showing you guys the pillows that I'll be using for my sofas. But that is it for this video. I hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If so, please be sure to go ahead and click the thumbs up button. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell so that you will receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. For my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so very much. And I look forward to seeing all of you again on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.